Hey, what is going on today, guys? Yes, we're watching Freight Train. I just missed the best part to record. I was looking for the time on here and I didn't see it, so I remembered to not hit record. But we had a Union Pacific train go by. It's freight. We had a Heritage.
Yeah, it's one long mixed freight.
Yep, a mixed freight.
Normal boxcars. Heck, I haven't seen one of those for a while.
I don't know.
Some of those Mexico ones.
I didn't know how to say that one. WRWK. Wisconsin Central.
Nice catch of a mixed freight.
We had a Union Pacific Heritage unit, Kansas City Southern. So we had that guy go by. I forgot to report, so I said it was one of my more favorite engines because of its paint scheme. There's a real nice paint scheme to it, and it's just amazing to see usually when we have those Heritage units come through.
Heck, I was just talking about Heritage units.
Yeah. Bunch of tank cars.
Yeah. That's pretty common.
Yeah.
Geez, I haven't seen normal boxcars since I don't know when around here.
No. You don't really get many normal boxcars. We get, what is it? We sometimes get newer boxcars. We get, what am I thinking of? We get the ice cars that carry our food from one place to another. We got like a bright orange grain car coming our way, and I think that's
brand new.
It's brand new, but I don't know its name. It's different. I've never seen this one. The sounds as these things come by are just phenomenal usually. Potash Court. Alright, and there we go. Here's the end to this mixed freight train.
And that was it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye.
Alright. I guess this might be a few other parts if we catch another one, but I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.